When you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, there are many ways to enhance and customize your experience. Turn on your video to connect face-to-face with your team. Hover over Turn Camera On to preview your video. If you want to change what appears behind you, select Blur My Background to blur it. Or select More Background Effects to choose from more options. Preview a few. When you're ready, choose one and select Apply and turn on video. Need to present to your team? Select Share Content to share your screen. You can present your entire desktop, a window, a PowerPoint file, or a whiteboard. And don't forget to unmute before you start speaking. If you're listening to a presenter, raise a virtual hand to let others know you want to speak up without interrupting the conversation. Go to Reactions and select Raise Hand from the meeting controls. And people see that your hand's raised. Like what someone said? Show how you feel. Select Reactions and choose one like Heart or Applause. When a featured speaker is talking, spotlight their video to make it the main one everyone sees. Right-click who you want, select Spotlight, and select Spotlight once more to confirm. There are several different video layouts to choose for your meeting. Gallery View is the default one when you first join. If there's more than 9 people, Teams prioritizes anyone with their video turned on or those speaking the most. To feel like you're in the same shared space with everyone in the meeting, select More Options, Together Mode, and pick a scene. And if you need a space for more focused discussions, select Breakout Rooms to create smaller groups. Choose how many rooms you need and how to assign participants. Then, select Create Rooms, Start Rooms.